stars. Marca has the story. Whoopi Goldberg defends Kate Middleton for doctoring her photos. If it was a crime, the Kardashians and I would be in jail. Whoopi Goldberg found herself puzzled by the public uproar surrounding Kate Middleton's admission to editing a viral photo featuring her children to correct Photoshop mishaps. That sentence makes 0 sense, by the way. As part of her usual media commitments, Goldberg was quick to defend Middleton and suggested that the princess hadn't done anything that wasn't also done by others. I must say, I'm rather befuddled. Hardly anyone I know refrains from tweaking their own photos. It's as simple as a swipe. Those editors, they swipe away, and Lord knows how the end result turns out, Goldberg remarked during Monday's installment of The View. Her co-host Sarah Haynes interjected, contending that there exists a disparity between filtering and outright photoshopping an image. It's one and the same, my dear. She's engaging in the same practice, Goldberg exclaimed. You see, I must confess, she may be destined for royalty, but she's still a novice behind the lens. The ghost luminary then turned towards her co-hosts with a hint of sarcasm. I dare say none of you have ever dared tamper with your own photos. If retouching images were a punishable offense, the Kardashians, my dearest friend, and I would be incarcerated for eternity, confessed Anna Navarro, eliciting laughter from the audience. What else did Goldberg say? Upon hearing Navarro's comments, Goldberg once again piped up, exclaiming that her point had just been proven. Did I not just say that this is a practice ubiquitous to all? Did I not just express how commonplace this is? People wield the power to manipulate images in any way they see fit. This shouldn't come as a shock, she reiterated. Middleton issued her apology on Monday after numerous observers spotted errors in the edited photo, prompting several photo agencies to issue a kill notice to media outlets urging them to retract the picture. I don't think the issue is, smoothing texture on the face. I don't think the issue is, changing light or shadow. It wasn't that. People were looking to the only 2 photos we've seen of Kate Middleton in the last 4 months as proof of life, right? We're looking for a real image that says this is her today, not a face from the Vogue cover, not a holiday picture that's been mirrored with William cut out, not clothing colored over from that, what is it called? Baby bank visit in Christmas time of last year, where the kids were wearing similar clothing, but now the clothing has just been colorized and photoshopped to look like different clothing. It isn't acceptable as a document, right? That's the difference. Journalism and news outlets is about documenting facts. It's different than the entertainment press. It's different than your Instagram, my TikTok. It's different. Document reality versus creating a false reality. And I feel like there was just so much going on in that Mother's Day photo that was way beyond retouching. It was way beyond just even filtering a picture. It was a jigsaw. People were cut out, people were added in, a new face from another time was stuck on. It was a hodgepodge. It was a collage of images from all different dates and all different places. Too much to be a document of anything, and it gave nobody any feeling of assurance that our Kate Middleton is alive and well and roaming around. Not that back of the head photo of her supposedly with William going to that engagement today and being dropped off at a private appointment, it doesn't add up. You know, we do this every day. We look at images, we look at, you know, even filtered versions of ourselves. We know how to cut people we hate out of pictures, right? We know how to, observe the changes, the wavy lines, the comparative blurriness and clarity in an image, and it's just not good enough. You know, if you go on Fiverr, royal family, you can find somebody a little bit more competent to give you, rather than a medium AI and Photoshop job, they'll give you an expert AI and Photoshop job. And then you wouldn't be facing this kind of scrutiny. And most of all, you could avoid critiques from me. Let me know what you think.